Surefire Compact Door Kit has been a hot seller. It can save dozens of hours trying to find power and running conduit or wire mold. One way this is done is allowing the installer to connect to any available power, 110 through 277. The Compact Door Kit also provides battery backup. Here, Certified Fire and Security found the Compact Door Kit the perfect solution for their underground concrete enclosed parking structure under this apartment complex.
Pete White with Certified Fire and Security here to talk about the Surefire, why we used it. As you can see, we're in a parking garage. We've got 2 levels to the parking garage. And if you look around here, if we had done what you typically would do with an access control system to run your wire, it would have been a very complicated process to get it from here to the second floor to where we wanted to go. With the Surefire, it definitely eliminates having to run that wire. It speeded up the install, and it let us not only have better communication through this, but also saved a lot of time. The Surefire is going to work great, and we loved it. It was super quick. It saved us a lot of time. It's probably one of the biggest upsides to using Surefire. It's reliable, and I love. This was my first install with it. I love working with it. I'm excited to see it on a lot more installs. Everything came with it. There was very little. There was nothing that I had to do. It's literally just drill like 4 holes into the wall and mount it, put up a conduit and everything. And it was very simple on the inside where things needed to go for access control, where the reader and where the strike, where the mag needed to go. It was very, very simple, very self-explanatory. So we work on the fire suppression, fire sprinkler, security, and so we've been really lucky to not only do well during the pandemic, but to also grow and to really move forward with our same plans, uninhibited from where we were.
The Compact Door Kit makes wiring easy. It comes like this, and you simply connect your power into the Wagos, shown here, and control wire to this clearly labeled terminal block. Then connect battery backup here. One useful tip for installing these units is if the power is coming out of the wall, you can place a hole here on the side where you can reach the Wagos.
Yeah, so you could just slide the wires in, and then he could just wire it in.
This also allows him to access the control wire without having to remove the backplate, which saves even more time. Win the bid with Surefire. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.